Hello everyone, my name is Anand Kashyap. I'm co-founder and CEO of Fortanix. Today we'll talk about how technologies like confidential computing are increasingly being used for data security in the modern world. Our entire life revolves around data. From the moment you wake up in the morning to the moment you go to sleep, we do a lot of things. We interact with apps on our phone. You go to several websites and you're leaving your digital footprint at various places. The companies that are collecting this data may use the data in various forms that we don't even know. You may look at them and be surprised. How does this website know that I'm interested in these kind of shoes? But all of that is happening, and a vast amount of data for individuals is being collected. And with the advent of AI that we have seen in just the last couple of years, AI has this ability to process huge amount of data very efficiently and come up with insights from that data based on all the data that has been collected in the past. AI is available in the cloud as well, and all these advanced data analytics, data mining tools combined with AI allow massive amount of data to be processed and analyzed very quickly. Moving to the cloud has become much easier. The infrastructure has developed quite a bit, and cloud is easily available in many places, and it gives you that elasticity where you can just come in and scale your usage based on the demand. But if you're doing that, you're also depending on the cloud to protect your data, to keep your data secure, and to keep your data private. So the amount of protection you need to have around your data and the level of protection changes. So as organizations move to the cloud, they still are responsible for protecting their data. But now you are using the data storage platform of an infrastructure that you don't manage, you don't control. So you need to be mindful of that as an organization, and you need to make sure that you're still protecting your data the right way, even though you're using the cloud. Traditionally, the security industry has focused on building perimeters around data and making sure the bad guys can't come in and get to your data. But we've always seen that the bad guys need just one small opening, and once they're in, they can take your data. So if you can think of a world where there are no data breaches, I believe, and we at Fortanix believe that the security should start from data first. So we use a technology called confidential computing, which is hardware-based security created in the CPU or the GPU, so that the data is protected throughout its life cycle, whether the data is at rest or in motion or also in use. The way the data is protected is again using encryption or tokenization of that data. And then the encryption keys are only available to the right entity. It could be the right user, the right application, or the right machine. Using confidential computing and using strong encryption, Fortanix makes sure that the data is always encrypted throughout its life cycle, wherever it goes, whether it's on-prem or in the cloud. So you secure your data, you make sure your data is protected, it's encrypted, and only the right entity has access to that data. And then you build security around that. So it gives you both confidentiality and integrity of data. One of the new technologies that is going to come in the next few years is quantum computing. Computers built using this technology can process information much faster than your classical computers. And the implication of that is there'll be massive advances in data analytics, data mining, even AI. People are talking about quantum AI. But the side effect of quantum computers is that now that it can solve complex problems much faster, it can also break, or it will break, all traditional cryptography. Now the entire internet runs on encryption and cryptography. And when the quantum computers come, all of that traditional cryptography will be broken. Now that's a doomsday scenario, but there's a good news that there's a new class of encryption algorithms that have been developed over the last few years. These algorithms are called post-quantum cryptography, or PQC. As the threat of quantum computers becomes real, and the threat that all traditional cryptography will be broken becomes real, most organizations around the world will have to undertake the massive migration step to go from traditional cryptography to post-quantum cryptography. Thank you for watching. This is Anand Kashyap, co-founder and CEO of Fortanix. Hopefully you learned how confidential computing is a technology that can be used for securing data in the modern world. See you next time.